Hey, this is Mel from SlickText. Let's talk about text message automation. Today, most brands incorporate some form of automated texting into their customer interactions. Let's go through some easy ways to build these with SlickText Workflows feature. And then we'll cover some basic automated texts that are even easier to set up. Workflows is a SlickText feature that allows you to automate and personalize your brand's messaging journey. Every workflow we're going to cover today, you can do with a template that's already built for you. You'll just need to select it from the template library, configure it to your specific needs, and set it to activate. When someone first joins your marketing list, they're intrigued and excited by your brand, and you're already top of mind. That's why a welcome series is the perfect way to turn a first impression into a lasting relationship. The concept for drip sequences and welcome series is the same. Create a series of messages that send in a specific order and are usually triggered to send based on a time delay. If you've signed up for a SlickText free trial, you've seen this firsthand. We've created a welcome series of educational content and helpful reminders so that everyone who signs up for a free trial gets the most out of their trial period. E-commerce businesses use text to recover lost revenue from abandoned carts and provide automatic order updates. By integrating your e-commerce platform with SlickText, you can set up workflows that trigger when a cart is abandoned. These messages usually contain some sort of offer or incentive to get the customer to go back and complete their purchase. You can even split the traffic with as many unique offers as you'd like based on the cart size. Smaller cart, offer a discount. Larger cart, throw in free shipping. Not everyone can move at the speed of Amazon, but even if your orders take a few more days to arrive at doorsteps, you can build excitement and keep customers happy by sending out automatic order updates. Trigger messages based on a change in order status, like shipped and out for delivery. People love proactive brands. When it comes time to reorder, you'll be their first choice. Birthday texts usually have higher open and click rates because they feel more personal than generic promos you might send out in a mass texting campaign. Collect birthdays through a web form or pop up on your site. Then set up a workflow that delivers a personalized message and offer to your contacts on their birthday. All of the automated texts we've discussed so far have pre-built templates in the workflow builder. These just scratch the surface of the dozens of templates you can use for automations. If you'd like something completely unique, start from scratch and build an automated texting workflow yourself. Want to message someone when they scan a QR code, or submit a pop-up form, or click a link? Easy. There's zero coding required. Bring any trigger, action, or other objects you'd like into the canvas and configure your perfect automation. There are plenty of other automated texts that you can set up in SlickText that don't require a workflow. Let's start with the basics: scheduled and recurring text. You don't have to be sitting around your computer or phone the exact moment you want to send out a campaign. The simplest use case for automated text is for people who want to write out a text and delay the send for a later time. You can also send recurring texts that are sent as frequently as you'd like. If there is a message that you need to send out regularly, like a weekly timesheet reminder or an upcoming appointment reminder, set these up by selecting the frequency you'd like to send your message. Keyword autoresponders send an automated message in response to a specific keyword someone sends to you. You can use this as a list growth tool and have keywords that are designated for opt-in, or they can be strictly informational. Simply create a keyword and type out your auto-response. Use join as your keyword to opt people into your list and trigger an auto-response with a thank you offer. Use apply to trigger a message with your job application. Use donate to trigger a message with your nonprofit's donation link. You can come up with any number of keywords and have whatever auto-response you want. Our customers love our collaborative inbox and how easy it is to text back and forth with their contacts. But what if you don't want to be glued to your laptop or phone to respond 24/7? Set up office hours so that your contacts know when they can expect a response from you. Simply adjust the hours that you expect to be available and create your auto-response. If you receive a message outside of office hours, they'll get an automated text that lets them know that you'll respond at a later time. If they respond during office hours, you can send out a different auto-response, letting them know you'll reply soon. Most SMS marketing platforms should be able to do simple automations like scheduled and recurring text. Some charge for features like keywords, and most others don't have a customizable workflow builder at all. You should use SlickText as your automated texting service because not only are the possibilities endless when it comes to workflows, but every automation feature is free on every plan. No add-ons or premium platform fees just for needing to automate your messaging. Try every SlickText feature you want by signing up for a free trial. Need assistance? We love to talk to our customers. Reach out and we'll help you create the perfect automation journey for your business. Get started at slicktext.com.